Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable passcode lock in CoinStats application. If you want to keep your CoinStats app more secure with a passcode or biometric lock, then follow through the steps. First of all, open the CoinStats app on your device and log into your account. From the home page of CoinStats, go to the More button at the bottom right corner and tap on it. Inside the More menu, click on Settings at the bottom. On the next page where it says Settings, scroll down and tap on the Passcode Lock button, and now you can go ahead and choose how you want to secure the app. You can go ahead and toggle on the Passcode button where it says Require Passcode in order to set a passcode for yourself. Go ahead and set it on the next page, re-enter the passcode once again when it is asked, and you will then be able to turn on the passcode feature. Similarly, you can also toggle on the button right next to Require Face ID on your iOS device and tap on Allow button to enable Face ID for your CoinStats account. Now the passcode lock will be active. Each time you open up CoinStats, you'll need to unlock it with code or the Face ID that you've set. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.